Here at the shop today, we've got two Rally 200s. Now, the Rally 200 superseded the Rally 180. This came out in 1972, and it was Piaggio Vespa's first ever 200cc, about 9 years after Lambretta had the TD200. So these 200cc rallies had some differences from normal Vespas, the regular runner Vespas, which I'm going to go over with you. This is the early version of the Rally 200, 1972 to 75. It had a FEMSA-tronic electronic ignition. This is the FEMSA coil and the FEMSA flywheel, which had these great big bolts on it. Now that was moving away from points and condenser. It had a black pickup box on the stator plate. So all Rally 200s had these stripes on the mudguard and the side panels. On the seat they had this big comfortable seat, very unique to the Rally. When I lift the seat up, you can see that it's got an extra taller tank. This tank held 8.2 litres as opposed to the 7 litres on your standard tank. This race tank needed this special seat with the bracket held away from it. On the actual tank itself, you see an indentation. This indentation was for the oil injection. So the USA market actually had the first ever oil injected Rally 200 as well as the other standard models, Sprint Veloci and the Super at that time. Another difference between the early Rally and the late Rally. Early Rallies did not have the ignition on the handlebars. They actually moved it for that period. Down here it was a button, a black button, which killed the motor. So the early Rallies had this script badge, the Vespa badge, was wrote in like a scroll writing. On the lake shield trim, it's stainless steel made by Ulma, and the model name is 044 number. On the front mudguard, you've got this black mudguard crest on top, and on the spring, it's also black as well. So last but not least, the difference between the early and the late Rallies was these badges on the rear. You can see the Rally 200 badge on the early one was in capital letters, and then they used the smaller letter font for the late one. So here on the later Rally, it's a 75 to 77 model. They got the Ducati ignition, so they changed from that Spanish FEMSA over to the Italian Ducati system. This late one had the key ignition just above the speedometer. So to round up in the Rally 200s, this is an early 72 model from the first year of production. This is the 77 model at the end of production when the PX 200s came out. So really this was the fastest production Vespa that they ever made. It was a 70 mile an hour plus speed on the comparison to PX 200, which only got to 65 miles per hour. Now this restored model here is one of our restorations done to original spec, and it's, well, this time of year, November, that really people should be thinking about doing a restoration. It's the time of year when we get time to concentrate on them as opposed to the spring and summertime. So if you're thinking about getting a resto done, now is the time. So contact us if you want a valuation on... No! Not enough! I don't know what else to say.